so many beautiful moments with Manon in this film. Why was it important for you guys to include her?
She will forever be such an integral part of the journey of Cat's Eye, and of course she's included in the film, and it's so lovely, and we're so happy to see it. The fans, I think, will be so excited to see it.
When you guys first auditioned, did you imagine that you would be selling out arenas, performing at Coachella, making this movie?
I think it was just always a dream of ours, but I don't think we expected it so soon.
Yeah.
We're so grateful. We couldn't be more grateful to be here.